Hi, how you doing? My name is Courtney Jameson. I'm here at Beltway. I'm here today to go over this vehicle to show you the basic check-in of things that we should be doing on a regular basis, once a month, once a week before you take off and drive. So today we're going to start off first. One of the things that you want to check is your windshield washer fluid. This is the, usually have a blue cap, open it up, you can fill it right here. Over here, this is your coolant reservoir. Once again, you fill it. There's a fill line right here that will tell you where to stop. You can also check it here, but you also want to make sure the car is cool before you check the level. If you were, you just put that and pop that up and we can check the coolant level that way. So, but also make sure that this is very cold, okay? Don't check it while it's hot. Over here, this is your dipstick. This is the oil cap to add oil to your car. On most cars, it'll tell you what weight oil is needed. Here is the dipstick. So basically, you pull the dipstick out, wipe the stick off with a napkin, and on this stick, you have two dots. This is the low, this is the high, this is where it should be. So basically, we'll stick that back in, let it sit for a second or two, and we can pop that up, and there we go. Oil level is good, so we can go ahead and put that back in. Over here is this is called your serpentine belt. It's a single belt that runs your alternator, your AC, and all your accessories. We can check for any cracks, any rips. That belt is good. As we go over here, we panned over, this is your battery. Over here, this is the brakes. On the brakes, you'll have a mark on the side that will tell you where the brake level is. The brake, we never top off. If the fluid is low, we always want to check the brakes to make sure it's okay. We never top the brakes off. Over here, we have the air filter. So to check the air filter, we go ahead and pop that up. And we can pop that out and take a look. This air filter is good. If the air filter is dirty, we go ahead and replace it. If not, we just go ahead and put back the air filter back in the car.
All right, yeah, let's hear it for Beltway Driving Academy. Providing some useful skills.
All right.
Got this super
go ahead and pop that back on. This is your battery. Normally, most of these batteries are maintenance free. But if you see any corrosion on here, you can use baking soda or anything that has carbonation to clean it off. Because
Mrs. Kelsey Bowen, who's walking around she's our theater. Where's she at? Where's she at?
So that's all it's for the battery. It's a maintenance free battery. As we come around,
people to dump. Coach Tiny goes in the water. Look at that. Perfect.
Over here we have
the big man.
This badge right here.
Drink.
If you look in here, this is going to tell you your tire pressure. This pressure is a cold pressure. So whatever this pressure is when the tires is cold. There's two pressure, one on the door and one on the tire. You always go with the one on the tire. Over here we have
here to perform a number from the show is Madison Gilliard and Mia Dowdy.
So over here we have our wiper blades. You always want to check the wiper blades.
Let's go.
Two ways to check it. One, when you turn it on, and if it smears, we need to replace it. These blades, if they lay flat, then we need to replace them. And they're quite easy to replace. On the wiper blades, basically you will just take the wiper blade. Right here you have a knob, you squeeze it, and then pull down and push. There it is. Now, never leave this up because if you do, it will slap and break the window. So always put it down if you don't have the wiper blade in hand to replace it. Once you get your new blade, you just do the opposite, pop it on, and we're done. Wiper blade's done. The tire, I have what's called a tire pressure here. So basically when you stick it on, it will let you know what pressure is in the tire. So all we do is go ahead and take the cap off. Just push it down one time and then it'll come up here and it will tell you the pressure. So once you verify the pressure that you need, then we can add air or take air out. Remember, we always check the tires when they're cold. That's good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Just remember, all the answer that you need is right here in your owner's manual. So always check your owner's manual. My name is Courtney Jamison with Beltway Driving Academy. Appreciate you coming by. Thank you, and see you on the next one.